in DLS 26, and yes sir, we will get him just like that. You can see it all propelling, being added, guys. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I hope that I can make your day just phenomenal, because I have free gems and free coins in DLS 26. You can get them for both iOS and Android devices, which makes this even more mind-blowing. And now, let me not waste your time. Let me jump straight into action and show you how we can get those resources. Now guys, I want to see if we will get the free gems and free coins in DLS 26, and yes sir, we will get them just like that. You can see it all propelling, being added, guys, in my account. Now let me guide you through each and every step that needs to be applied on how we can get those free gems and free coins in DLS 26. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections, and then open up any browser. But search for appspatch.com, because right there, guys, on the third row, right here, we have DLS 26. You will tap on that icon and then enter your username. Just like that, select the platform that you're on, and then boom, select the amount of the free diamonds and the coins that you want to receive. After that, fellas, we will just wait on this protocol to be completed. Let it all load up nice and well, and then we will make sure to continue to verification. We will click here. You had a step-by-step tutorial for this last step right here that needs to be completed. And how do you go ahead and complete this last step? So you will have two options. You can watch the, of course, tutorial that was on the page previously, but your boy will still guide you through it. So the faster way will be to open up two questionnaires. This is one. So open up two questionnaires and complete them just by answering some simple questions that they ask you. And literally just like that. That will be a faster way. Or you can go ahead, click on the apps from the official App Store, Google Play Store, where you will be redirected to from here, of course. And then just make sure to, for example, Family Island, download and reach level 11 to unlock this content. Or Best Play, download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So make sure to read what it says from you in the description, complete it that way, and then you will enjoy playing DLS 26 with the free gems and free coins. And that is all, guys. I hope this was very useful as it was for me. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you.